Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm just packing for Seattle today, and yeah.
Hello, you got a lovely style and a high. Should know I've been riding all of your mama's advice. If you tell me how you like it, we can go far. It's so far, so good, y'all. When I'm in the mood for things, she makes one out. She makes one out of thing that let me take a shower afterward that I can't get out of. How can I get out of it all? All the people in the house, yeah, you gotta get out. The pretty ladies don't count. Y'all know.
Okay, so we're here in Seattle, my old stomping grounds. Oops, a little bright. Okay, we just landed last night. We're gonna go ahead to check out where I used to live and where I used to work too. So I've gotten to show my husband around the city a little bit. So it's been kind of a weird experience. I haven't been back to Seattle in at least 5 years. I don't really know when the last time I came down here was. Yeah, and I haven't lived here in over 10 years, almost 11 years. It's been a while. And tonight, this afternoon, my husband is meeting my family for the first time ever. So we're a little nervous.
Meanwhile, you knew it all along. You knew it all, you knew it all. Well, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I'm in the ward with the paper. You must not know about me. You must not know about me. I taste like whiskey. I taste like ashes of black coffee. I was naughty, then she caught me, now she missed me. Yada, yada, yada. I don't wanna bore you. I wanna bore into your powerful love like God in Corinthians. Yeah. Baby in the manger, the savior, then I don't know what to call the cradle at all. The door, you look so foreign, but here you're so familiar. I was drawn in by the light. Night's dark and warm and still and wet. And home is in our roaming, hemoglobin. And it's only beholding in them folding to the note pole. Fuck you tucking your elbows, yeah, we're hell in the ozone. When I'm in the mood for days, she makes one out. She makes one out of thin that. And you take a shower afterward and I can't get out of her.